Momobells, learn English through short stories. Hear, learn, practice, and repeat. Learn prepositions through the story of Fox and the Woodcutter. In a quiet forest, there was a smart fox. It saw a hard-working woodcutter chopping trees. One day, the fox went to the woodcutter. I lost my home in a storm. The fox lied. Can I stay near your pile of logs? The woodcutter said yes. Time passed, and the fox lived among the logs. It watched the woodcutter and learned his routine. One morning, the fox thanked the woodcutter and wanted to help. I know a tree with great wood, the fox said. It took the woodcutter far away and pointed at a tree to trick him. While the woodcutter was busy, the fox ran back to the logs. It pushed a log, and more logs fell, trapping the woodcutter. The fox felt happy. Its plan worked. With the woodcutter gone, the fox had the forest to itself. So the smart fox beat the woodcutter using its cleverness, showing that sometimes being clever is better than being strong. Repeat the above story and find what are the prepositions used in the story. First, we learn what is preposition. A preposition is a word that shows the relationship between a noun or pronoun and other words in a sentence. For example, the book is on the table. The preposition on shows the relationship between the book and the table. Prepositions used in the above story are in, of, on, in, with, near, among, back to, at, while, away, and for. Thank you.